Mamelodi Sundowns have announced the signing of Matías Esquivel from Club Linus in Argentina. Yeah, what a player. Yeah, the midfielder comes very highly rated, and Mamelodi Sundowns had to pay a lot of money to secure his services. They have paid a transfer fee of they've paid a transfer fee in the region of 2.5 million US dollars, or about 46 or 47 million rands. Yeah, that's a lot of money. So you can tell that this player is very highly rated. Yeah, he has signed on a 4.5-year contract. So given that they've filled all their foreign player spaces, one player has to go, and there are reports that either Junior Mendieta or Nazara Bubaka will have to leave to make up space for this player. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this signing by Mamelodi Sundowns? Is this the signing that will make them to win the CAF Champions League once again?